Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia guys. Doesn't matter what Kia you have, even if you have Kia Optima, Kia Soul, Kia Forte guys, Kia Sportage Sedona, Sorento, it doesn't matter what it is guys. Okay, if you want to know what are the symptoms of bad PCV valve, we're going to explain that today, and we will also explain how you may think you need a new engine and all we had to do is just replace that little bitty PCV valve that's not very expensive at all. So stay with us and we're going to cover all that today. Also, let me tell you quick about us guys. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Kia, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we make more than 200 to 300 free repair videos provided to you absolutely free guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Specifically guys, 2013 Kia that we'll be working on, but doesn't matter what it is guys. We're going to go ahead and remove that upper engine cover quick. We'll just pull it out. Some vehicles will have different valve covers, you may not even have one, but engine covers, all of them will have valve covers. This is your valve cover guys, and you need to look for a device that's that looks like that, device that attaches to the valve cover, a hose, and that hose usually will go to the intake manifold or the throttle body, one of those guys. So we're going to pull that hose, okay, and we're going to remove that device. We have everything pretty loose, and if you want to see how to replace PCV valve on Kia, we have the video on the channel guys. I think we demonstrated on Kia Optima. So this is the valve guys, okay. Those things can fail in a few different ways. One of them is stuck open, one of them is stuck closed, one of them is, okay, actually not separating engine oil from the air as well, and we're going to explain what it does. That valve is super important guys for the normal operation of your engine. Why? Because when the engine is running, pistons go up and down. That creates pressure. So if that pressure doesn't come out of the engine somehow, you develop multiple oil leaks, valve cover leaks, oil gasket leaks. You can even damage your head gasket. So that air guys needs to come out, but that air usually will have oil fumes, vapors integrated in that air, and they need to be separated. This valve will separate the oil vapors, okay, and only the air will come out, okay, of the engine, and the oil will drip back in the car. Now, if that valve fails, what you can experience? You can experience, guys, oil leaks. If it's stuck closed, that pressure, you will be building more pressure in the engine. As a result, you may start leaking valve covers, VVT solenoids, camshaft solenoids may start leaking, oil pan gaskets, front, rear crankshaft seal. You may develop multiple oil leaks. Always check to make sure that you don't have white, okay, vapor build up, okay, kind of like a milkish build up here on the oil cap as well. That's a sign of a failing PCV system as well. Now, something else guys, what else? You may experience guys, okay, engine light being on. Why? Because if that valve is stuck open or closed, that can mess with the fuel mixture, and you may develop lean or rich fuel mixture. Something else, okay, you may have engine light on due to the valve being bad, and it may tell you that you have bad oxygen sensors. It may tell you that the car, okay, it has unstable operation, and all that could be guys due to that valve. Also, you may get codes for engine misfires. Now, if that valve doesn't separate the engine oil from the air guys, what will happen actually, you will start burning quite a bit of engine oil as well. Okay, increased oil consumption. That's number one reason for burning engine oil, guys. Those valves that most people don't even think about. Now, something else, guys. Okay, it can cause engine misfires due to many things. Bad fuel mixture, burning engine oil. All this can lead to engine misfires. You may also experience unstable engine operation. Okay, and especially unstable idle. Idle may go up and down. Another thing, you may experience increased oil consumption and kind of like a lack of power, guys. Okay, and unstable operation. The RPMs may go up and down. So those are, guys, okay, some of the most common ones. Okay, most of the common ones. But what else, guys? You can see if that thing fails, okay, in certain position, it can cause your car to smoke blue, black, or white smoke out of the exhaust like crazy. I mean, so bad that you may think that you need a new engine just because of that valve. We have a special video that explains how to clean it and how to test it, which takes only a few minutes, guys. So I'll definitely recommend to check it out, and I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.